Qlik by Raha, Ashley, and Jesse of HIM3380's Group 2. In this presentation, we will be discussing the functionality, benefits, challenges, usage, integration, and ratings of this software. Introduction. Qlik is a data analytics tool and platform for business intelligence. It is made by QlikTech International AB, and some of the products made by QlikTech are QlikSense, QlikView, QlikCloud, Qlik Data Market, Qlik in Printing, and Qlik Analytics Platform. Functionality. Qlik allows you to make dynamic graphs, charts, tables, and maps for interactive business analysis. The cloud-ready applications allow you to share data and to connect with people all over the world. Some specific examples are that Qlik in Printing allows for advanced reporting and distribution, while Qlik Data Market provides ready-to-use external data. Some of the benefits of Qlik products, depending on which of the products you use, are as follows. Users can visualize analytical areas of interest using the drag-and-drop method, accessibility from any mobile device, wider use of business analytics capabilities, ability to manipulate huge data sets, flexibility and integration, low cost, and the ability to utilize various forms of data presentation.